Ka Green Tech Foundation GTF hak arpau terik yayong kelapun kut no ya ka jinga ki syak tangan baklembu por kabala ni kat ars ni hadin bak sorkar jela kala rai benweng no ya ka dolon nong lumpong deng na ka project Taj Resort bat spa ha umyam. Menta kasngi kadega sngi pun kut no ka jongi ya ka jing syak tangan hadin bak sorkar Meghalaya kala pendam no ha ka jing dawa ka jongi ong Secretary General ke Foundation ubak ritreling doa. Kani barok kamde ka bor jong ka GTF, kamde ka bor jong ki pat ba ne jong no jong no ru. Henry ka day ka jing isen a ka jing ai a jong ublay badon bor barok ula benram. Ubak ritre ula ong baka sorkar kelapun urlong ya ka jing dawa bakongsan jong ka kinhun. Ni ai kublay ya ka sorkar Meghalaya, kilapun urlong ya ka jing dawa bakongsan ka jongi ban pelat ya ka dolon nong lumpong deng na ka project Taj Resort bat spa. Henry, ulakin tho eki buar sorkar halor ka jing penslam da ka baong, kani ka deka sorkar ka bamutlab ka baka jela Meghalaya kala sakhi. Ka shimpuar hadok kat art ligi sngi, kat art ligi miet ki bajrong na ka benta jong ki bakin dam krum. Ka sorkar, watla ngila kami lenti bakan saklem hadin ka jingkit no yau chairman jongi Shapo Hospital, Henry menta ka sngi budak eki kintin jonga. Ka arpau terik yayong ka sorkar MDA balayalam da ka NPP menta ka lakinyo da ka jingting ulaong. Halor ka thong jong ka kinhun, ubak ritri ulaong. Kumba ka Green Tech Foundation klasim kya banyadaya ka maryang bat ya ki jingdon jing hapo ka dolon nong lumpong deng. Ngila laban pun urlong ya ka thong menta ka janmien. Henry, ka kam thok kam syukur ka ba ngila pun pau perthei haringkat bat ki mat ki bayadei bat ka maryang. Kadangay don bat ya ka badang hap ban pun ben. Da ka bakin tui ki weipat ki kinhun seng bakin but dien halor ka ni. Na kabentai ki weipat ki mat ki bayadei bat kini ka ju ka phang ngi I no hai ki weipat ki seng bakin shimkya da ka bating kenang baka perthei borok ka wei kan pediang baka rikasi kedai ka bala pensyong nongrim kat kum ki nongrim ten rai bakongsan ula ong ru baka GTF kan saya sa mi ki kot kisla ki ba kalayop pediang. Kat kum ka RTI ke bangi layo pediang, kanu ka seng, kanu ka kinhun ni riu shimen, ki badan jing temu ban but dia ni ki weipat ki man, ki baya day bat ka kambam sap, ka jinga day hapedeng ki politician bat ki corporate, ka jinga day hapedeng ki assistant ba bam sam, bat ki baki kat ki high level, bat ka rukam ha ka baka dan ka jing pulam, ka bakraw ha ka jing trekam ha ka sensyar kadar ka jela, barok ki badan ya ka man, ngilong ki bakloy banya sam, bat pi ya ka ka bangi kan ka lumpong deng files benrap ubak ritre. Habakali la ka foundation kan letsya ka luka yukta halor ka kambam sam ulaong. Namaringi day ka seng 3 months ngob habaya day bat ka maryang, kino ki bakwa ben but dian ya ka kam ngilong ki bakloy banya sam ya ki file.
This is my address. That today, the 20th of April 2026, it shall be noted down the books of history that the Khasi Chantia Hills has witnessed a great green revolution. Secondly, as we have received the letter to the government of Meghalaya, they have made it very categorically and particularly in consonance with our demand that Lumpong Deng Island is excluded from the overall development of the said luxury resort and spa. It had taken for the government the most inhumane government that Meghalaya has witnessed.
Yes!
12 long days and 12 long nights for them to get on their knees. The government itself, although we had anticipated that it would collapse after the hospitalization of our chairman, but today, mark my words, the 20th day of April 2026, the government of Meghalaya, the MDA-led NPP government, has now trembled in fear. And as Green Tech Foundation had took the forefront to raise the green ethics and the sensitivity of Luang Prabang Island as an eco-fragile system, we had achieved our goal this evening. However, the scam that we had exposed alongside environmental issues is still at large and yet to be addressed. And for the other subject matters that relates to this very issue, we leave it to other organizations to take up the matter diligently, committedly, and sincerely, so that the whole world globally acknowledges that Rikasi is built on foundational principles. And as per the RTIs that we have received from various documents, any organization, any group, any individual who's interested to follow up with the other issues that involves corruption, that involves the political nexus between corporates and legalities, and the politicians and corporates, the nexus between a corrupt system with the so-called high levels, and the manner in which there is a big failure in state machinery. Everyone who is concerned, everyone who is interested, we are ready to share with you what we call the Luang Prabang files. So today we mark the end of our indefinite hunger strike, since the government of Meghalaya has ceded to our demands. And all of this, it's not the power of Green Tech Foundation, it's not the power of the public, it's not the power of anybody, but it is the mercy and graciousness of God Almighty. Thank you so much. As I mentioned, that with regards, because it's not a subject matter, because we're an environmental NGO, whoever is interested in the subject may pursue it. We are open to share the files with anybody who's interested.